If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Floki update. Okay, Floki got attention of so many investors. These are a few of my favorite coins. And I didn't pay attention to Floki, but it seems like we had an amazing accumulation here and a move to the upside. That was actually pretty sweet, okay? Really, really amazing. This is on Gate.io. The chart pattern is on the Gate.io. Equally, we had FLOKIINU as well, which kind of looks very similar to what this thing is doing, and you can see that there's amazing accumulation on FLOKIINU, broke out and still coming down maybe for another accumulation and then finally move to the upside. Now one thing that I do see for Floki is I've made Bitcoin update. There could be chances of a bull trap in the market for Bitcoin as well, and you guys have to pay attention to that one at the moment. So we've been pretty much overbought at the moment for Floki. Let's not ignore the fact that the coin has moved up really high. So if we go from there to there, we're talking about 694% move. Man, that's like 7x, nearly 7x of price movement. But unfortunately, you have something known as a bearish divergence. So if you look at this, just gonna take the arrow. You have the higher highs right there, and you have lower highs right over here on the RSI. So this at the moment is looking to cool down, and I'm not going to tell you how much down you're gonna go. I'm not going to talk about the price pattern here, but if someone, this probably might be an update for someone who is saying I want to buy Floki, or maybe thinking of an entry position. Not a financial advice, I'm not telling you to buy or sell, but just a very general comment on when could be the best time to buy. Then I do see the RSI coming in with this trend line, and you could potentially have another buying opportunity down at that trend line, which is near 13.935. Or even better is to wait for a proper move down here, somewhere down at this level, which is 22.32 on the RSI. Because this bearish divergence with the RSI at the moment is looking to play out, and it could be a cool idea that you end up buying at the support level, just as it was a cool idea to sell at this support resistance level. Now look at this, okay? Resistance down, resistance down, resistance down, resistance again, down, and come to the support, up, buy back up again. Okay, it makes it really less risky, and that's the purpose of this update, to make it more or less risky for you. And that's pretty much it for this Floki. If you want me to keep doing this, do like the videos and let me know on Discord. Join the Discord, the link is in the description, and tell me if you want me to do some Floki videos for you. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.